Hello, Eustis Middle School. Today for our craft, we are going to be making an origami sorting hat. This should be what you were given through the drive-thru, and this will be our end result. This is something that I remember when I was in school, we used to always love making, and we're going to make one today that's going to help us find out what house you belong in. All right, so I'm going to put my final product over to the side. The first thing I'm going to need you to do is take your scissors and you are going to cut this square out. Once you have it cut out, it should look like this. So when you're looking at this, you're going to see a lot of the black lines and then the dotted black lines. These are all things that you are going to be folding. So to start off, I like to do the bigger folds, and that will lead me back to the smaller folds. So I'm going to have you fold it in half. Make sure you give it a really good crease. You're going to open this back up, and then you're going to do the same for that other really long fold. Next, I'm going to have you fold each of the smaller triangles like this. And you're going to go all the way around. And fold those triangles in until you have a smaller square. So it should look like this. I'm going to hold it up just a little bit. I see that there's a little glare in my video. Alright, next, I want you to flip it over. And I want you to fold. So you see how it's like this? And I want you to fold where that dotted line is. Just like that. And you're just going to press down. And you're going to go all the way around. And do that same fold again. So this is what the one side will look like. And your other side should have 4 items on it. Ooh, that glare is, there we go. Okay, and then your other side should look like this. What you're then going to do is you're going to fold this in half. And then just press down. So your end result is going to be a small rectangle with 4 items on the exterior. Alright, next, you're going to see that there's a little bit of a little hole on each side. You're going to push your finger in just gently. You're going to do that on both sides. As you do that, you're going to notice that it's going to start to fold in. You might have to give a little bit of pressure to fold it in. There you go. I always like to give it a little squeeze all the way around. Alright, and then you have your origami sorter. How you first do this is you're going to pick, or have somebody pick for you, either you're picking or you're doing this with somebody else, you're going to pick one of the numbers on the outside. So I am going to pick the golden snitch, and that has a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I am going to pick one of the items that are in here. So I am going to pick hat, and hat has a number 3 next to it, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. The next thing I'm going to pick is Azkaban, and I'm going to pull that open, and it says that I am a Slytherin and cunning. Let me look inside your mind. I'll tell you where you belong. And then it says Slytherin. So, that is how you make an origami sorting hat. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you had fun with this craft, and I hope you're all doing well. Can't wait to hear what you're reading. Bye!